Back on the African Savanna. And this is a great place to start the day.
Yep, at the old watering hole. They're the usual suspects. Rhino, ready to charge.
Lion, a whole pride.
Elephant, taking a morning bath.
Giraffe, scanning the scene. Hooves the size of dinner plates.
A congregation of creature power and a kitty? Look out!
Whew!
Whoa, a pet kitty? Oh no, someone's pet kitty got lost on the African Savanna.
How did a pet kitty get way out here?
Yeah, we're in the wilderness, really far from the nearest town. Living lost and in the wild.
She's so cute and small and vulnerable.
She'll never survive out here. We've got to help her. Time for a creature rescue.
You mean a pet kitty rescue? Drive close, Chris, and I'll reach out and grab her. Uh-oh. Remember that rhino?
Yeah.
Well, here she comes!
No!
Oh! Why are you stopping? Reverse! Oh, there go the tires.
There goes the engine. It's totally destroyed.
Oh, sorry, Koki.
Our Kratts VX couldn't cut it.
Oh. Hey, how can a little pet kitty like you survive out here?
Wait a second. Longer legs than a house cat and a more muscular body.
And that stripe pattern, that's not your everyday tabby.
Much fewer stripes, mostly on the legs and tail. Those are the markings of a wild species. This isn't a pet cat, it's
The African wildcat.
And this wildcat can survive out here.
Better than us Wild Kratts. You might not be a pet, but even a wild kitty still needs a name. Being a small cat in a big, dangerous savanna, you've got to have your wits about you. Wits. Witty. That's it. Witty the Wild Kitty.